This 2019 Forest River Forester 2291S Ford is a Class C RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 44 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2019 Forest River Forester 2291S Ford is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.